There is also a completely separated area in my garden. That is not a problem for the mower, and not for the installation either. First of all, look for a good place for the connection of the main and secondary area. Then install the boundary wire there. Then lay the wire around the secondary area. Once again, make sure that the wire does not cross over itself. On the way back to the main area, I use the same pegs again. If the area is to be mowed, simply carry the mower to the secondary area. Then press the mode button and select Secondary Area. Press Start and the mower works until the battery is empty. To charge it, carry it back to the charging station and set it to main area.